Hello students, welcome to class. It's another time with Excelsior Academy. Let's look at how we are going to solve this WASSCE June 2018 core mathematics question. The question says that if 16 exponent n is equals to the cube root of 2 squared, find the value of n. Now this question is under indices precisely exponential equations. Now to solve this question, it's important to note that cube root is equivalent to the power 1 over 3. All right. So to solve this, I'm supposed to make sure that we have the same basis on the left hand side and then the right hand side. Now 16 is the same as 4 squared. So we have 16 exponent n is equals to the cube root of 2 squared. Now 16 is 4 squared. So we have 4 squared raised to the power n. And then we are saying that 2 squared is also 4. So we have 4, the cube root of 4. All right. Now we said that the cube root of 4 is the same as being raised to the power 1 over 3. So we have 4 exponents 1 over 3. And over here we have, now this 2 multiplies the n. So we have 4 exponent 2n. Good. Now from exponential equation, we understand that when the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So because 4 and we have 4 over here and then 4 over here, we can equate the powers. So we have 2n is equals to 1 over 3. Now, let's cross multiply. So this 2n multiplies the 3, and then we get 6n is equal to 1. To find it, let's divide both sides by 6. So our n to be equals to 1 over 6. All right, thank you for joining. See you in the next video.